9 years ago, hindi ito ang buhay ko. Dati akong OFW, pagod, homesick, and holding on to one dream. Yung makauwi na lang sa Pilipinas at makapagsimula ng sarili kong negosyo. Halos lahat na ata ng OFW, ito din yung mga pangarap. Not a big empire, just one branch, one clinic. A safe space for women to feel beautiful, confident, and in control. Kasi wala ako niyan before. At gusto ko rin tinungan yung mga katulad ko. Wala rin akong investors, wala akong pangalan, wala akong kapital. Ang meron lang ako, utang, prayers, at lakas ng loob. Fast forward to today, meron na tayong 30 branches nationwide. Hindi lang ito kwento ng negosyo. This is a movement, a mission, and a calling. I didn't build Whiten para lang sa income. I built it for a purpose. A place where every facial, every gluted drip, every smile sa salamin represents healing. Kasi minsan, all a woman needs is to feel pain, to feel hurt, and to feel pretty again. When I started Whiten, ako naman talaga lahat. Ako ang receptionist, janitress, social media manager, tagamit sa supplier. Ako rin magti-training sa mga staff. Ang mag-hire, mahirap talaga siya. Pero when your heart is in the right place, kahit gaano kahirap, you keep showing up. Because you know what? Purpose will carry you when pressure tries to crush you. The early days, hindi glamorous. Wala akong pa-hills, wala akong pa-coffee shop meetings. I was out there, teaching to landlords, training staff, learning everything from scratch. Pinagdudahan ako, na-judge ako so many times. But I kept going. Kasi leadership is not about missing like a boss. It's about acting like one. Every mistake I made, tinake ko as a lesson. No excuses, just progress. Real growth, it's unfiltered. It's grit. It's grace. It's getting back up again and again and again. People now say, "Uy, Whiten, sikat na brand yan ha?" Pero what I really see, mga kwento. Like the OFW who became our franchisee. The single mom who now leads a team officially. The student who walked in with low self-esteem and walked out growing inside and out. Hindi lang kami nagpalawak ng Phoenix, nagpakalat kami ng pag-asa. Because true entrepreneurship is not just about profit, it's about people, purpose, power. When you stop chasing income and start scaling impact, doon ka talagang magle-level up. I didn't come from wealth, but I'm building one for my son. For the women who said yes to joining our team, for the clients who trusted us with their growth, Whiten is now present in places I've never even visited. Our movement is growing, and we're just getting started. Legacy isn't about what you own, it's about what you pass on. And this empire, we build it with heart. If you are listening and thinking, wala akong pera, wala akong time, wala akong support, I feel you. Kasi once upon a time, ako din yan. I had a dream. I had faith, I had fire, and believe me, you have those. You don't need permission to start. You just need to start. This is Lady Boss Nicole reminding you, you can build it. And we're here cheering for you.